So let's take a look at how you can uninstall package in Salesforce developer. Okay, first thing to do would be to log into your developer edition account and then go to quick find. Here we type in installed and it should point us to installed packages link. Okay, so click on that. It should show us the apps which are installed. Okay, so we will try to uninstall any existing app we have. Here you see we have one graphics pack installed recently that I wish to uninstall, so I'm going to click on uninstall. Okay, so in next page it will tell you what are the things that will be removed when you uninstall. So just yes, I want to uninstall this package. Just tap this or check this checkbox. You don't have to save off this package data. Okay, you can check the box, do not save a copy of this package. Okay, click uninstall. Then it will take its time to remove the package from your developer edition account. And considering it is not holding any data, so it is safe to completely remove the same. Okay, so this was the package that was installed, and now we have this package in uninstall tab. Okay, so here you see the package which was installed is now uninstalled.